Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce template, totally free and fully responsive. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. And also, I will come with the Angular, React and Vue.js version as well. But here is the simple HTML. So friends, here we go. See, top section, the logo, search button. See, the beautiful advanced search scheme, just beautiful. The user icon, the wishlist icon, and the add to cart mini pop-up. See, cart mini pop-up, and the sidebar navigation with toggle menu submenu. And friends, here we go. The main thing, the upper section. See, the text 24, some collection, and the beautiful casual. Just brilliant. And then see the beautiful section. It's just brilliant. 50% off section with categories names. Our must have sections, friends. Subsidies. And see the beautiful footer section. And guys, now I will show you its responsiveness. So friends, like I said, the template will be fully responsive as well. So no need to worry about responsiveness. So here we go. See guys, toggle navbar and the fully responsive template. And will work for all the devices. See guys. And guys, also if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also please contact me via my blog. Here's my blog, therichpost.com. Here's my contact and advertise page. You will get my email, my Skype ID, and my WhatsApp number as well. And guys, I am full-time freelancer, and if you will have any kind of project, then feel free to contact me anytime. Hey, all the details. So friends, after it, I will come with more demos, and all will be free of cost. And on my blog, you will get more stuff like Angular, React.js, Vue.js, Laravel, and free admin dashboard as well. There are many free Angular e-commerce templates as well, multiple. So friends, have you seen? All the things work perfectly. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.